I will be changing the front outside passenger door handle in this video. Here is the new handle that we will be replacing it with. The first step is to remove all the door's trim. A flathead screwdriver will be helpful here. Remove the corner trim, the trim by the door lock, the door's control unit. You will need to unplug it. You will need to remove 2 screws that hold the door on. Use a 7mm socket to remove them. I almost forgot, you will also need to remove the trim by the inside door handle. Now lift up on the door panel to remove it from the door. Disconnect the wires from the door panel, and then we'll be able to set it aside. Remove the cover off the access hole for one of the 3 nuts that will have to be removed to take the handle off. Here's one, and another if you can see far back. The last one is behind the door frame. You can see where it should be located by holding up the replacement door handle. Use a 10mm socket to remove them. Pop the door handle out to access the link rods. Use a pair of pliers to slip the plastic clip so you can disconnect the link rod from the handle. To remove the lock, use the pliers to pull on the metal clip and push the lock out. Now to install the new handle by first pushing the old lock in the new handle. You will need to pull on the clip to have it fully set in. Then insert the link rod into the hole of the new handle and clip it in place. Now reinstall the 3 nuts on the handle. Test the new door handle before moving on. Next, reinstall the door panel by reconnecting the wire plugs and sliding the door in place. Screw back the 2 screws and replace the door trims. Done! Thank you for watching. Please like the video and subscribe.